In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Pipedrive with Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have the official Pipedrive add-in set up inside Outlook so you can see CRM details next to your emails, log messages to deals, and manage activities without leaving your inbox. First, start in Outlook. Open the Get Add-ins window. In the search bar, type Pipedrive for Outlook, then add the official add-in. If you prefer, you can also find it on Microsoft App Stores by searching the same name and installing it from there. When you add the integration, Outlook may show a brief permissions prompt. Approve it to complete the installation. Once added, the Pipedrive add-in will appear in your Outlook ribbon and will be available while composing or reading emails. If you don't immediately see it, try closing and reopening Outlook so the ribbon refreshes. Next, connect your Pipedrive account. Open a new email in Outlook, look for the More Apps or Add-ins button in the ribbon, and choose the Pipedrive for Outlook add-in. A panel will open on the side. Sign in with your Pipedrive credentials, and if prompted, authorize the connection so Outlook can display your Pipedrive data alongside your emails. Make sure you're signing into the correct Pipedrive workspace so your deals and contacts line up with what you expect to see. After you've logged in, you're ready to sync and manage directly from your inbox. As you view or compose emails, the Pipedrive panel will show you related contacts, open deals, and upcoming activities. This lets you confirm who you're talking to and where the conversation fits in your pipeline. When you want to capture the conversation in your CRM, choose to log the email to a deal. Select the relevant deal from the list shown and confirm. That message, along with its thread, will be added to the deal's timeline in Pipedrive, maintaining a clean record of communication. You can also manage your workflow without switching tabs. Use the panel to add or review activities like calls, meetings, or follow-ups so the next steps are planned while the email is still fresh. Set clear titles and due dates so tasks are easy to track later. If multiple deals are associated with a contact, take a moment to pick the correct one before logging, which keeps your reporting accurate and your pipeline tidy. That's it. Thanks for watching.